Are you looking to create captivating short-form videos that stand out? Look no further. With our top-notch video editing services, we provide everything you need to make your content pop. From colorful subtitles and attention-grabbing emojis to seamless Broll integration and engaging sound effects, we've got you covered. Whether it's for TikTok, YouTube Shorts, or Reels, our talented team will bring your vision to life. Don't miss out on this opportunity to elevate your video content and capture your audience's attention. Let us handle the editing, while you focus on creating amazing content. Start impressing your viewers today with our short-form video editing services, link in the description. Let hire as soon as possible.